embroiderer.
Okay, everybody, welcome to the workshop. My mother in England was a member of the Women's Institute for many, many years, so she'd be quite proud of me being involved here. Sashiko is a Japanese technique. Sashiko means little stabs. It started off with fishermen in Japan having these denim coats. They were poor people, and so the denim wore over the years. They fixed it with more denim with these little stitches, sashiko stitches. We use it. This is my old gardening jeans that were wearing out. So I put a patch under here, as the fisherman would have done, and anchored it in with sashiko stitches. Same here. Here's where you usually get the problem, of course, if you're gardening on the knees. So I've done some there to strengthen it. So if you get some spare denim fabric, doesn't matter if it doesn't match. If you've got a hole in your old jeans, you can just put that underneath and then sashiko over. I did a fish because a lot of the sashiko patterns are waves and fish. And I was saying to Barb, as I drove here this morning, I was coming east, and there was these big black clouds like this, and I thought, oh, that looks like sashiko stitching. Now, I've got a coaster for each of you to do. You don't have to worry about the length of stitches, it's already marked on there. Now what you are supposed to do, and I've never accomplished it, you're supposed to, if any of you are quilters, you're supposed to do several stitches at a time. I always do one at a time, because they really want you to get the length of the stitches even, not short, long. Yeah, but you'll be all right here because it's all marked down on the fabric. So this fabric is a little bit stiff, but in a way that's a good thing because I think then you'll get the stitches even. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'll give them out, and I've got sashiko thread, which is cotton. It comes from Japan. Sashiko's in lines, so it would be better not to do one star and another star. No, do lines. This way, yeah. The same with this one. Don't do one cross stitch at a time, do it in lines.
So on this one, Anne,
You're an angel.
should I start in the center or start?
I would start at the edge and then go,
Like
in a
start?
straight line.
Oh, you would do the straight lines first.
Straight.
Yeah.
Well, they're all
Go
straight, but I
line.
would have done the diagonals first.
It doesn't matter really, yeah, because they're not going to overlap each other, so it doesn't matter.
Oh no!
You
heard the pain in my voice,
right?
You just have to use your blade and
Still bother you?
I can't see what you're
It's
doing.
not a lot of paint, but we're thick, and I
So we
just have
stitch
trouble even
over
picking
the
up the
lines
pin
and
or anything.
so-
So,
Where, what the white one.
Yeah.
Got him.
These stitches on this,
Not
these,
somebody. Okay, can't see what you're doing.
these stitches are a bit longer than what's usually done in sashiko.
need help or?
Okay, I see what you're doing.
Yeah, you go straight down there.
Or can you vary?
Well, that's a bit long.
You're talking to yourself, Judy.
Sorry about that, I get
I
very
do
few
that
calls
often
on my
now,
phone.
you know that.
I do. Back and forth.
Because they're not gonna cross each other.
Yeah.
Sashiko, no two lines ever cross each other.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
On the
really?
back, but not on the front.
Oh.
The So Fancy store in Guelph. She's online too, of course. She sells Sashiko patterns and
That is so cool.
fabric,
Oh,
things like this. Yeah.
So you just do whatever pattern you
Yeah.
want.
Really?
Some of them are patches and others are just designs.
Yeah, it's like you do it here, because
Doing
this
this
is knee, and if you got it,
Yeah.
this is where it might go through. A lady in, well, not far from here,
How much do
down the road, who passed away, put it together for me. She put all my cushions together for me. Yeah.
Very nice. Can you come a little closer?
So it's got silk ribbon, beading, tatting,
Wow, it's like a, what do you call those samplers?
Yeah. crochet,
Wow, that
Good
is
air
beautiful.
on there.
and
Showing off all the handiwork that way.
this is my ancestors' bobbin lace.
Wow.
Very fragile, so I put this over the top of it. And this was from an old mat with this lace around the crochet around the edge, and I put that in. And I always have a dragonfly and a spider. Where are you? On my anything I do.
Oh,
Really?
And these pearl buttons
It
are
is.
from my
Wow.
ancestor sewing. These
Oh, isn't
buttons.
that neat?
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you're making headway. Good for you.
Yeah, yours do me.
Yes.
What needlework?
Yeah, what kind of needlework do you do?
So most all different kinds,
Do you?
but I usually do a lot of kits.
Yeah.
Yeah, counted cross stitch is good.
Yeah, tension, in other words, is important in this.
Oh, I see.
And she's very good at sending the stuff out.
Oh, I got some.
Your vest that you made, is that dry clean only? Like,
I don't wear it very often.
I mean,
You know, I
it's so
came across
gorgeous,
that
I'd be
pattern.
afraid to wash it.
The girls love to do that.
Yeah.
I hope never to get out of that.
Yes.
Wow,
Yeah.
yes, they've probably been married
So it's
for 20
we're
years.
redoing. Oh, here's the.
For the hospital with
Oh, yeah.
Crochet, of course.
So easy. I showed my friend,
Yeah.
uh,
There's not just those, there's a flower and there's a boot.
It's a
and
lot
just
of
make
progress.
sure
I'm having
stitches were
problems doing
Yeah.
basic
correct.
embroidery stitches. My fingers are,
Oh.
I've got arthritis that I used to love doing, but well, I love embroidery, but of course I haven't done any for it yet. So
Yeah.
getting back to it, so I'm just playing around with it. So thank you.
Do the exercises for your hands?
I'm always using my hands, but there's certain things.
little.
I do that when I broke my wrist.
Yeah.
And then this thing was not bad. It's there. I can't, doesn't do any more than that. But,
It really increases like the
Okay.
strength in my fingers and just the flexibility. Like it's just getting worked.
okay, I will, thank you, I'll go on YouTube, I go on YouTube all the time to learn things like,
Yes.
different techniques, the weaving.
Yes.